Hi, today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card in Motorola Moto G5S. So, let's see where do we have slots. Right there on the left side. So, we need to use this thing to open those slots. Now let's take it out. So, let's put in this slot our SIM card and in another our SD card. Then let's put it back in our phone like this. And let's see, yeah, it's actually asking for pin for our SIM. Yeah, as you can see, everything is actually works. So press like, subscribe to our channel, and see you next time.